Okay, um, the Exit 8. This was supposed to be on Steam only, pero gumawa sila nung para sa Roblox. The sequel. What? Ano ba yung sequel? Di ko alam yung sequel eh. Or what? By the way, ako ay naka-suit. I'm on a tuxedo, you know? What the f***? Oh, kala ko nakaubad siya, men. So, whoa. Nangyari? Wait! Okay. Okay. No. Wala namang kakaiba kahit paano. So far, walang kakaiba. Alam mo yung feeling na wala, may something, pero kinonsider mo nang wala. Okay. Number 1. Exit 1. Oh my god, dude. Okay lang. Walang kakaiba. Ha? Okay, another one. Nope. Seriously? Bro, I swear, I'm gonna go back. Bala kayo dyan. I'm gonna go back. Babalik ako. Date. Babalik ako. Bahala kayo. Babalik ako. Yes. May drawing no sa fuck. Bro. May drawing na kasi. Drawings. Something. Kakaiba yun ah. I knew it. My god, dude. Okay, turn back. Chinek niya yung cellphone niya. Gonna fucking... Wala. Goods. Okay lang. Go forward. Okay, number 1. Yes. Meron siyang dala-dalang cross. So, turn back. Hindi ko talaga mag-analyze, guys. Walang kakaiba. So far. Yup. Yes, there you go. Exit 3, let's go. There's nothing wrong, I guess. Wait. Di, okay lang. Pero parang sa tingin ko parang may something dun eh, no? I feel like... Oh, wala. Go. Okay. Number 4. Nope, turn back. Hindi dapat ganun yung poster. Oh my, hindi. That's different. What? Huh? Di ba dapat, oh, what? Huh? Bakit ganun? What? Yes, go for it. Wala na makakaiba dun. Bro, what? Ano yun? Sly look. Oh, I see. Nakita. Oh my god. Oh, ay, wow. Nice job, Nico. Nice job. Okay, so ang isa pang kailangan natin tingnan is yung likod ng taong yun. Okay, may naririnig ako. Okay. Naka-low volume pala ako kaya pala. Putang. Exit 2. Okay, goods. There's nothing wrong, I guess. Yeah, there's nothing wrong naman. Yes, go forward. Babalik. No. So, suitcase, and he's holding a phone. Nothing wrong. Okay, turn 4. I mean, exit 4. Should we go back? Okay, so bike tayo. Yes. Turn back. Ba't ganun yung itsura niyan? Exit 5, let's go. Bloody eye. Yun yung nakita ko kanina eh. Kaso ba't ganun nung bumalik kami? Nag-back to 0. Like, what? Is it just me or he looked faster? Am I being delusional? No, what? Hindi, okay lang. Okay, may narinig ako. Two vents. Okay. In order yung mga posters. Ano naman kakaiba? Sound. Okay, exit 2. Where exit 2? I don't know, man. Yeah, there's probably nothing wrong with it. Okay, nice. Exit 3, we're back again. Nope. May pinto dun sa dulo. Biglang balik eh. May pinto dun sa dulo, so obvious naman na. No. Yung kulay nga din pala ng buhok na baka kailangan natin i-check out yun. Anong... Okay, nice. Oh my god, exit 5, let's go. We're cooking. Hindi. May kulang dito, may kulang na pinto. I swear. Sige. Ay, fuck. Ito, yan oh. Putang. Ops! No. Holy crap! Huh? No. Wala. Look closely. Wala. Goods, all good. First exit again. Exit 1. Nice. Turning back. Wait, okay. Okay lang pala. Wala kang kaiba. So far. Okay, exit 2. Nice. We're making a progress. As usual. Is he much faster? Or ako lang nakakaisip nun? My god, dude. Nope, there's nothing. Wait, no. Missing vent. Missing vent, missing vent, missing vent, missing vent. The gap. Oh. Oh. Yep, I see the problem. Once again, he is holding a cross. We're gonna turn back. Nope, 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 no blood stains on the floor. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Alright. Alright. Okay, exit 4. We're back. We're back. Okay, we're back. Oops! Okay. Hair color. Naging, ano siya? Naging black. Okay, exit 5. Okay, yung mata. Okay. Babalik tayo. I feel like something's wrong. Huh. Normal walk. No smoking. Okay. Okay. Last one. Oh. Oh. Okay, wala. Yes! Oh my god, bro. Finally, dog. Yes!